What's up, guys? I am back again. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And you already see the title of the video, okay? I'm hop right into it because it doesn't take rocket science to learn that nowadays promotion is very accessible. We all can promote. We all can put a campaign together. We all can make it feel like we're conducting business. But just because you have access to promotion doesn't necessarily mean you're ready to use it. Now, what I will say is I've helped and coached around 148 people this year so far, and we're in February 25th. And a lot of people come to me at first, mentees and also people that are in our Phone Flipping Academy. If you don't know what the Phone Flipping Academy is, the Phone Flipping Academy isn't just a course where you sit and you look like this and watch the computer screen. No, the Phone Flipping Academy, you get course videos, you get worksheets, you get checklists. You're also getting access to a 30-minute call with me, and you're getting access to our Discord channel. Guys, it's a lifeline, it's a community, it's something that you're building and becoming a part of. It's like a group, okay? So let that be known. But a lot of people, they come in, and one of the biggest things they're hung up on is, how do I start Facebook ads? And it like drains me, because when it comes to Facebook ads, I think like it is perfectly understandable why you want to do it. But then I think to myself, if you right now, you sitting there watching me, just decide right now that you're going to just open a store, okay? You don't have no products in the store, you're just going to open a store, okay? You just going to open the store. And I walk in and I say, hey, my name is John. I own a billboard company. I can put up a billboard for your store to promote your store, okay? Where's the billboard going to be? It's going to be close to the bridge, and it's one of those billboards that are electronic. So like your advertisement will come up and then it'll go down, and it will go on rotation. Would you take that billboard? And I said, let's say the amount of money you have in your pocket right now, $5,000, and I tell you that the billboard is going to cost you $2 to $25. Would you invest in that billboard? Comment below and let me know. The reason I'm asking you is because it's a difference between an investment and an expense. Now, an investment is an expense, but what I'm saying is a difference between an investment and an expense. I'm talking about outlook. Like, business-wise, I can be like, yo, me buying this sign for my store is an investment. And then I can say, me buying this drone to fly in traffic with a piece of paper on it is an expense. Why? Because if I was to just put that sign in front of my store, it's something that is going to show customers where I'm at. I can have some information on it, some literature, some promotions, some products, whatever. It's there. If I was to go and get a drone, that's going far and beyond and not technically needed. Like, that's not needed. I need something of some sort to tell people what this store's name is, but a drone is going away from my store and telling people where I'm at. It's going fast. It can be stolen, it can crash. It's unnecessary. And I give these analogies because I find that it's really hard to get people off of the Facebook ads train. And people think when I'm talking to them about this that I'm against Facebook ads. I'm not against Facebook ads at all. What I'm against is people telling you guys, hey, you want to flip phones? Facebook ads. That's the way to go. It's not. Okay? Now, could it be, or could it have been when we first started phone flipping, whenever phone flipping first was started, because I wasn't around when it was first started. Probably because it was less competition, but now you have so many people paying for Facebook ads. You got so many people doing free Facebook ads. That's when you screenshot a picture that has like a phone on it, and then I guess the phone, it would be like, we buy phones, and then, you know what I mean, you DM them and let them know what phone you got. That's cool and all, but when you really think about the nitty gritty, y'all, I'm not paying no money for no promotion that I can't guarantee I'll get something back. That's one. Two, I'm not paying for no Facebook ads and I don't know how to convert a lead. I'm gonna say it again. I'm not paying for a Facebook ad and I don't know how to convert a lead. Now, what the heck does that mean, Brandon? So what it means is, if you were to get somebody that says, hey, I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max, crackback, how much? What price list are you going to use? What deductions are going to be taken out from that phone? How long is the turnaround going to be? And that's not even all. What are you going to say to the person? Because they want to answer. So if I'm talking to you right now and you're thinking about doing Facebook ads, and you're just getting started, if you can't answer those questions, you're not ready for Facebook ads. Or what are you going to say when you give them an offer and they say, oh, that's too low? Because you paid for this person to talk to you, because you paid for the ad. So every lead you get, you're paying for their attention. So that's why I try to like push you guys to be as how can I put this, to be as organic as possible. Because being organic is going to grant you a way to get comfortable enough to be able to transform leads into conversions. Conversions are great. If you convert, your money's working for you. If you don't, then it's not. It's a waste of time. If you want to try Facebook ads, I'd say start with a $5 budget for 3 days and try it. I guarantee you it ain't gonna work. You're going to get the leads. You ain't going to know what to do. Now, all of my advanced phone flippers, people that are already good at doing it organically, go ahead. I urge you to go ahead and, start making your shmoney. Yes, makes sense. But I am not here to tell you to waste your time trying to buy ads to get leads that you can already get if you are looking through the same platform you're trying to make the ads. Okay, so be cautious, be smart, and try and use your money towards another marketing strategy. If you're looking to get phones, right, instead of paying for ads, I would call another family member in another state and I would use that ad money and instead be like, yo, download this app and I want you to say, hey, I'll pay you such amount if you make offers in your area, and let me know if you get people to bite. Put up some agreement with them and do it that way. I'm actually going to go over that in another video. I got you. But guys, make sure you are making the most out of your money. I'm telling you, don't waste it on ads. You guys got this. I'll talk to you later. Peace.